एक गंमत सांगते. गाडीचे काम करताना एवढे रंगून जातात की विसलिंग करत जुनी हिंदी गाणी गातात.
मी सुदर्शन चेंबूरकर. ही माझी बायको, माझी प्रेमाची, माझी खरी, माझी अर्धांगी शिल्पा. आणि तिच्यासोबत माझी पहिली बायको म्हणजे माझी स्कूटर. ही LD 1956चं मॉडेल गेले 52 वर्ष माझ्याकडे आहे. अँड द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस स्कूटर वॉज दॅट इट हॅज बीन द हॉलमार्क ऑफ कम्युटिंग इन युरोप for the common man, especially the working woman.
I didn't know about the scooters also because in my family there was no vehicle. But my father used to take us for cycling. And afterwards I came to know that he is passionate about the two-wheelers. कुठची गाडी दिसली की ही मला हवी हे असं त्यांना प्रत्येक वेळेला वाटतं. आणि जेव्हा जेव्हा जमेल त्यांनी त्याच्या गाड्या जमवल्या.
It so happened that I was always inclined to do something, fiddle, what you could call as fiddling or anything, but to repair, not to destroy. I was not a child who would destroy something. A toy, if I was given a broken toy, I would repair it. Any trash to me is important because I'm restoring all kinds of naughty nonsense machines. When I was a kid, we were orphaned at a very young age with the demise of our father. There were certain circumstances where we were not able to do what we really wanted to. But those hard times we overcame not by thinking about how, but you do something. And doing is work. Simultaneously, while schooling, I would do servicing of cycles. I used to earn 5 rupees per cycle. While doing this cycling, I came to know that the cycling events take place. I realized that the cycle was too redundant. It was a standard doodh wala ka cycle. So how do I reduce the weight? I removed those steel fenders and I got them made of plastic. Then I removed the front brake because I didn't want that front brake. It was adding weight, only the rear weight. I had difficulty initially, but once I got the momentum, I used to cycle very fast. That's how then I competed in the Bombay Cycle Championship. And that is how I started getting into engineering, repairing cycles, then getting into scooters. My brother bought this scooter for 1400 rupees in the year 1973. We were very ecstatic that it was the first vehicle as such in our family.
LD ही आमची फॅमिलीतली पहिलं व्हेकल आहे. त्याच्यामुळे एक आनंद आहे. म्हणजे
We bought it home and we cleaned it and we started riding it. Within few days, it conked out. That was the first challenge that I was made to understand and repair that scooter, which I did. It was over-engineered for its time, in the sense that it is a typical Italian engineering design, where every component is connected with a bevel gear, and it is a shaft drive with a crown wheel pinion. So to have an engine with beveled gear, with a shaft drive and a crown wheel is something which was not relevant in other countries of automotive, especially with UK and all those things. I, as a kid, when I went to those mechanics, they would chase me away for the simple reason that they didn't want to do this intricate engine. So when I would go to them, they would just chase me away and say, "Arey, what are you buying this? ये क्या खरीदता है तुम? Vespa ले लो." So I said, "नहीं, I would want to have this." Then one such mechanic by the name of Kapadia, he mentored me. I would go to his workshop and I would sit with him. He trained me and he asked me to help him. But I concentrated on doing my vehicles, and slowly I started working on other people's work. And I set up a workshop. And I was very well known in Bombay circles. ये LD रिपेयर करेगा और कोई नहीं करेगा तो ये करेगा LD रिपेयर.
एवढा पॅशनेट आहे त्याच्यासाठी नाईट शिफ्ट मध्ये जॉब करायचा आणखीन सकाळी हे गाड्यांची कामं.
अभिजितला स्कूटरची आवड होती म्हणून खेळण्यातली स्कूटर घेतली त्याच्यासाठी. पण काय चालवायचा तो मस्तपैकी 80च्या आसपासच्या, कारण मी नंतर ही रिस्टोर केली बघ. हा अविनाशचा मला वाटतं 5 वर्षाचा असतानाचाच आहे. आणि तेव्हा फोटो आहे आपल्याकडे व्हॅन होती तेव्हा, आणि व्हॅन देऊन आता 10 वर्ष झाली.
त्यावेळेला कुठच्या साधारण इयरचा असणार?
2007. येस 18 years.
ही आपली गाडी ह्याचा जो आनंद असतो ते नेहमी कुठेही बाहेर जाताना आम्हाला तर खूप प्राईड वाटते असतं त्याच्यावर बसल्यावर. पूर्वी तर आम्ही अचानक आमचं ठरायचं डिनर झाल्यानंतर अचानक मित्र यायचे आपण हा पिक्चर बघायला जाऊया, इरॉसला जाऊया, इकडे जाऊया. आम्ही आयत्या वेळेला पटापटा जेवायचं आणि स्कूटरवरनं फोर्टमध्ये कुठेही पिक्चर बघायला जायचं.
It used to be such a wonderful experience. She always stood by me, but she never grumbled. And till date, she is what she is. She is my love heart.
सुरुवातीला जेव्हा तो घरीच रिपेअरिंग वगैरे करायचा तेव्हा माझी हेल्प घ्यायचा ते इंजिनचं.
She used to help me cut the packing
वगैरे कापायला.
and all those things. She used to sit down and she would
mark it and cut it.
It was a team, husband-wife team. It's a human philosophical thinking that we should not look back to our past, but always should not forget our past. Why do they always want to possess something which is vintage, something which is heritage, something which is old? They fetch through auction, they buy, because they want to relate in some way to the past, right? Be it a painting, be it an artifact, be it anything, it gives you the picture of the yesteryear, how people thrived to make life comfortable. You love cars of the present day modern, but you should not forget those cars which have given life to movement, to transportation. This is how I was inclined towards this particular scooter that I have, and I'm proud of it. And when I'm riding it, I totally ignore whatever, because I know everybody is watching me. That gives me that feeling of satisfaction.